Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, we in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out intending the Hajj. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made the circuit of Allah's house and marched between Safa and Marwa and did not take off the ihram, for he had a sacrificial animal with him. So his wives and companions who were accompanying him all performed circumambulation, and whoso did not have a sacrificial animal with him took off the ihram. So she, Hazrat Aisha, started menstruating. We performed all the rituals of Hajj, and when the night of Hasba, the night of departure came, she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, are your companions excluding me returning after performing Hajj and Umrah? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, did you perform tawaf of Allah's house on the nights when we reached here? I submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you should go to Tan'im along with your brother and put on the ihram for Umrah, and our meeting place will be such and such a place. So I went to Tan'im along with Hazrat Abdul Rahman and wore the ihram for the Umrah. Hazrat Safiya bint Hay also had a period. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Baron, shaven-headed, you will detain us. Did you make the circuit on the day of sacrifice? She submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then there is no harm. Set out, I met the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was ascending the heights towards Makkah Mukarramah, and I was descending, or I was ascending, and they were descending. Musaddad narrates Jarir did not corroborate Mansur in the word no. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1762.